Good day, children! Welcome to Science Lesson with Teacher Ed. Can you hear what I hear? That's nice if you can hear it too. What do you think it is? Yes, that is a crying baby. Why do you think the baby is crying? Good. The baby cries because it is not fed yet. Babies need food, attention, and care. Just like them, plants also need caring. Today, we will discover how can plants grow healthy. But before we begin, together, we should be able to demonstrate understanding of the different needs of the plants to grow, predict what will happen to plants if their needs are not provided, and lastly, discuss the importance of growing healthy plants. Before we begin, we will be watching this video. I will let you observe the video and there will be follow-up questions, so listen carefully.
Plants are living things. Plants have basic needs. Plants' basic needs are air, sunlight, and water. If a plant does not get its basic needs, it will wilt and die. What will happen to a plant if it does not get water? It will wilt and die. What will happen if a plant does not get air? It will wilt and die. What will happen if a plant does not get sunlight? It will wilt and die.
Okay, from the video I've shown you, what did you observe? That's right, there were plants and flowers. Okay, what else? Yes, that's right. There is also water, light, air, and soil. Based from the video I presented, what do you think will be our lesson for today? Nice guess! Our lesson for today will be all about how can plants grow healthy. So, how can plants really grow healthy? Firstly, we should be able to understand the importance of plants. Plants are important to people and other living things. They are living things that are capable of making their own food. What do you think are the needs of plants to grow healthy? Good! One important needs of plants to grow healthy is water. What do you think are the benefits of water to plants? Nice idea! Water is required for the germination of seeds, and as soon as growth starts, water serves as a carrier in the distribution of minerals and plant food. Okay, another. Can you think of other plants' needs to grow healthy? Yes? Good! Sunlight is also one of their needs. Okay, who can give the benefits that sunlight provides for the plants to grow healthy? Anyone? Okay, good! It helps the leaves to make food for the plants. Any other who can give the other needs of plants? Yes, you got it right. Plants also need air. Okay, anyone who can tell what benefits does air give to plants? Well said! Plants need air because they take in carbon dioxide. It passes through the stomata. How about you? Do you know what stomata is? Well said! Stomata are cell structures in the epidermis of tree leaves. These are involved in the exchange of carbon dioxide and water between plants and the atmosphere. By that, it only means that plants can also breathe like humans. But unlike humans, they don't use lungs for breathing. Instead, they have those structures called stomata that enables them to breathe. Now that you already know the different needs of plants, let us now know the different ways of taking care of plants. How about you? Do you have an idea about the proper ways of taking care of plants? That's right! Watering the plants is one example of taking care of plants. Another? Yes? You're right! Checking their soil if they are healthy is another way of taking care of plants. All the answers that you have said are all correct. Now, let us talk about the proper ways of taking care of plants. First, we have to give them all their needs. Again, their needs are, yes, water, sunlight, and air. Secondly, loosen the soil so that air can get through it. And thirdly, remove the leaves with holes or damages. The fourth way is to take out the harmful insects from the plants. We don't want our plants to get eaten by insects, right? And the fifth one is to put fertilizers into the soil when needed. Just make sure that you put just the right amount of fertilizers on your plant. 6. Spray plants with insecticides only when needed. Surely, we don't want our plants to get sprayed on with insecticides all over it, right? Lastly, we need to remove the weeds. The weeds are the unnecessary small plants which holds back the growth of your plant because they tangle with each other. Those are the needs and the proper ways of taking care of plants. Now, can you help Teacher Ed identify which are the proper ways of taking care of plants and which are not? That's nice to know. All you need to do is say the word take if the words best represent the proper ways of taking care of plants, and the word talk if does not. Okay, number 1, watering the plants. Yes? Very good. The answer is take. And number 2, how about cutting plants? Okay, another correct answer. The answer is talk. And number 3, exposing them to sunlight. Amazing! The correct answer is pick. How about number 4? Kicking plant pots. Good job! The correct answer is talk. And number 5, putting plants in open spaces. Very good! The correct answer is pick. Good job, everyone! Thank you for helping Teacher Ed in doing the task. Now, as a grade 2 pupil, what can you do to help the plants grow healthy? Very good! We can help them by exposing the plants to sunlight, watering them, and putting them to open spaces to receive enough air. Okay, what have you learned for today's lesson? That's nice to hear. I am glad that you learned about the different needs of plants and the proper ways of taking care of them. Again, what are the different needs of the plants? Yes! The needs of plants are water, sunlight, and air. And what about the proper ways of taking care of plants to make them healthy? Perfectly said! We should give them all their needs, loosen the soil so that air can get through it, remove the leaves with holes or damages, take out the harmful insects from the plants, put fertilizers into the soil when needed, spray plants with insecticides only when needed, and lastly, remove the weeds. Great job! Now, are you ready for our quiz time? Good! All you need to do is to draw a happy face inside the box if the sentences is correct or a sad face if it is not. You will be given a time to answer this, or you can also take a screenshot of this quiz. You did it amazingly! Now, may I ask if you have questions, inquiries, or clarifications? Okay, if none, Teacher Ed would like to remind you that your assignment is to work on your quiz for today, and you will submit it on our Google Classroom. You did a great job for today's science class. Goodbye, everyone. God bless and stay safe. Goodbye.